what you can make a career out of will surprise you. You never know what you're going to get or not if you don't try. The Adobe Creative Residency is a career kickstarter. You get a year to spend making your dream into a profession.
The experience of actually being able to do this project is a little magical, I think, because you're getting the chance to do something that you know otherwise would have been impossible or very, very, very hard to do.
And I can also use it as like a, like a first step into like a new world for my work.
I can just focus on the work and not have to listen to, you know, what my boss wants. It's just like what I want to actually do.
Being a resident kind of makes you part of the family. It's like a family that already exists and it's expanding every year.
We have this like network of people that we can lean on and collaborate with, and that's really exciting.
You're not in this alone. It's such a crazy experience, but to have sort of a very real and very diverse support group is really refreshing.
Meeting all the people who are either in your field or in another creative field, and you get to build friendships and things that hopefully last longer than that year of residency, which is the ultimate goal, I guess.
One of the things that we stand for as a creative residency is following your passion. And if you're doing something that you feel just okay with, take the opportunity to apply to this program and have a full year to just pursue the thing that makes you so excited.
I was kind of hesitant about applying, but then I saw that in the application, Adobe said whatever you're pitching to us, make sure it is something you're going to do even if you don't get the residency. And that to me showed me like how much Adobe really believes in creativity.
The applications are quite open, like there's no specific sort of, oh, you have to do this or do this in a certain way. That they're looking for people who are pushing the boundaries of their field. So if you're not sure whether your work fits, then it's probably really, really appropriate for this residency.
They are really pushing us to realize that we are in control of our lives. We have the power to make what we want happen. So we are really driving this. They are just giving us the ability to drive it further. You know, they're putting gas in the car.
If you have something that you're already passionate about, go for it.
Don't be afraid to apply to the residency. The program wants to grow and reach more people and more creatives, so please apply. And I hope to see you next year as one of the residents. Peace.